Hello friends, today I'll be showing you guys how to make this geo heart with rocks on it. Basically these are rock candies. I took it out of the packaging and I crushed them all up already. I've also made my chocolate mold and now I'm just taking it out of my mold slowly so that it doesn't break. And I find that if you use candy melt, it works really good and it stays like that. So I peel it off like this. And I also made two little hearts and a geodome on the side. Then I have leftover candy melt. What you do is you just dip a little bit in there and you just add it onto your heart on the spot that you want. So I'm putting it on the side here, like that. Gently just press it down. Don't give it too much pressure because it will push right through. But I do tend to make my hearts a lot thicker, so it's more fun when you crush it. Or when you smash it a few times before, it actually breaks instead of like a one-time thing. And then I'm just adding random pieces to it like that and on top of it, just to create this really nice rock look, like so. And you're just gonna, you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. And when you crush the pieces, they're all like assorted, so you just got to find the big pieces and the small pieces. You just keep dipping it in candy melt and just placing it onto the heart like so. Now it's slowly forming like a little clustered over here. You put one down here. And then you just leave it alone so that it hardens. The candy melt will harden on it. Like that. And then I'm going to put one down here. Cover the space up right there. Like that. And it's beautiful when you photograph this after or when they even receive it. And what I like to do is I like to add cardstock and I put like happy birthday so and so, and I put on the right side of the heart where it's blank, and then it just really pops. Or if you don't like cardstock, you could do fondant. I do fondant sometimes too, depending on like the design that I'm doing. So I'm just going to add that all over here like so. And then once you feel like you got a pretty good area with all these rock candies, and you can buy this relatively cheap too, if you get them wholesale. But if you don't, at the store here in Canada, it's $2.50 for one. And I need about 4 of them because a lot of them that crush out, if you notice, they're really small, so I don't use them. But the big ones, the big rock candies, then I put them on, and I like to like really load them on and make them look pretty. And so once you have it all on, then you're going to put edible gold flakes all around it to give it like this really nice shine after. That one's not sticking. Okay, let's put that back on like that. And then you can also add it to your small hearts too and just, have like a little pattern going, or you can leave it and drizzle chocolate on the small hearts. You can literally, sky's the limit. It's endless with designing these things. It's so much fun. Okay, so now you see these are my gold flakes. I'm going to add it around the rocks, the rock candies like so. And I'm just going to cover it all around. Okay, so now I've put the candy on the bottom of my box already, and I've put the big geo heart on. And then now I'm just going to add some paper. And I also cut out like these shiny little gift wrapped things, and I added it to my paper to give it more shine. And it's gold, and I'm just gonna add it all around like so. And you can find this at the dollar store. It's like $1 a roll. It's super cheap, like that. Just gonna add it around. So I just added with the crinkle paper and just added around, but they do sometimes stick to the cake. You can just pull them off, no big deal. Like that. Just gonna add it around. There you go, and we're all done. And then I froze some little chocolate pieces that I made to add around, and little star chocolate pieces that I'm gonna add around. And you're all done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.